the bottom of the Singer 401 machine. Perhaps other similar models you have this tray, and what Singer did is that they put a sort of a paper, absorbent paper. So this is the inside part and this is the outside part. Now the point with this paper is when you oil the bottom of the machine, the droplets will just leak on this paper, get absorbed, but the problem is that after many years it smells and has a full smell, and it's just dirty, you know. So I'm going to remove it completely, maybe put a small piece of cloth to absorb future oil droplets. Now the problem a bit removing this is that you see it's kind of clumped with metal. That metal, you cannot roll it back, so you need to just cut around those clamping points and just lift the paper from there. It's not glued, it's just clamped on these areas, and the rest of it it simply will detach from there. My suggestion, just wash your hands, wash the piece of metal once you do it, remove the paper, because this is all chemicals. You never know back in the days what kind of oil they had in there, and I'm not sure how safe it is. And make it just clean, and it's going to also remove a bit of the smell. It looks much better and absolutely no smell. If you want to remove the bits of paper from these metal clips, just get a tip of a knife and just push from the side. From the side underneath this clip, push that piece of paper remaining, push it outside. Make sure you wash it with some soap. And so this is the inside where the paper was. This is how it looks. It looks very clean because somehow the paper also protected the metal. And this is the outside. You have that knob, securing knob. And if you look here, right there, again, this is the outside of the plate. You may see, let's see if the camera will focus, what appears to be a serial number. So it's very tiny written, and it says Simanco US, I think USA, and at the top you see that number is the serial number for, well, for my specific machine.